My great professional students. Yeah, I want to throw a salute to every one of you preparing for your exam. So our 30 days challenge is still going on, and thank God today is Friday. But not the reason that we always thank God for. We always say thank God today is Friday. I'm going to go weekend and rest and jolly and all the rest and do the whole one bit. No, that's not why I'm saying thank God today is Friday. I'm saying thank God today is Friday because by our plan and our expectation, we want you to put in 5 hours on Saturday, 5 hours on Sunday to your studies. If you're able to do that this Saturday and Sunday, you would have come out on Monday morning with 10 hours behind your belt of quality study time. Of course, when you put in 10 hours like that over the weekend, remember it's equivalent to more than 50 hours if you have gone for physical classes, right? It will be equivalent to more than 50 hours. The reason is because when you study with video lectures, you cover more grounds than when you go to physical classes, because in physical classes they are usually what you call distraction. Somebody else is coughing, somebody else is talking about the politics of the country. There's distraction here and there, and somebody else is asking questions, dragging everybody back. I know I used to ask a lot of questions when I was going for physical classes, but in this case it is not there for you. So if you are studying using the video lecture and you don't understand any point, just note down that point and move on, and then go into the Telegram class and ask your question. So let's do 10 hours this weekend. Remember, if you do 5 hours on Saturday, 5 hours on Sundays, that is 10 hours. And remember, if you study for 1 hour and you rest for 30 minutes, do another 1 hour, rest for another 30 minutes, do another 1 hour, rest for another 30 minutes, you'll get 5 hours on Saturday and Sundays. Now, avoid going for O1B. You see, when I used to do this exam, I didn't go for any O1B within 4 years. When I started my ATS1 to PE3 then, right? I didn't go for any O1B. So if there was any O1B like naming ceremony, dead burial ceremony, housewarming ceremony, marriage ceremony, all I do is that I package my transportation then, and I just go to the person after the event or sometime before the event, and I give it to the person. I say, I'm so sorry I won't be able to come because I'm having an exam coming up. I have lectures to prepare. I have lectures to attend. So they always understand that, you see. So and the question I want to ask is that if you have not attended, if you didn't attend somebody's wedding, they wouldn't remember that you didn't attend their wedding 5 years from now, 10 years down the line. Okay, think about you that is married. How many people can you remember came for your wedding? Particularly if you are married for more than 10 years, right? You see, there are things that won't matter when time comes, but you becoming chartered is going to matter throughout your lifetime. So I hope that is helpful. So I just decided to do this audio note to cheer you up. Remember, my job is to cheer you up and make you do what you have to do. So if you pass this exam, that will be my greatest joy, right? I want to share in your success. I want to share in your testimony. I want to share in your joy. So let's put in the effort that is needed. So if you don't have the video lecture, make sure you get it, right? Chat with our admin or call our numbers. We're open on Saturdays, Monday to Saturdays. So chat with our admins and get it, right? So even if you want to use other materials, just use our 30 days blueprint to cover the entire video. Then you can put it aside and go to other materials. It adds and enriches you, right? So get it and do what you have to do. So I trust in you. I believe in you. I know you can make it. So even if you are discouraged, pick yourself up and tell yourself, I can do it. Remember the story of David in the Bible. Yeah, they went out to war and they came back, and the enemy have taken away his wife, children, and all of the things they have. And they were so discouraged that the people, his followers, they thought of killing him. And so that means there was nobody to even encourage him. So the Bible says David encouraged himself in the Lord his God. So I want you to take encouragement from that. Encourage yourself, boost yourself up, and go and start your preparation. So it can be boring. Look for look for jazz music, music that will light up your environment. Put it in your phone, put it in your computer, put the earpiece on, and just music that doesn't have lyrics, right? And that will calm your nerves, that will make you come alive. Just do something. Remember, don't eat pounded yam and heavy food when you want to study. You are going to sleep off, and if you sleep off and you wake up, you'll be agile though, but start your study. Eat light food, get something light around you, and start studying. So I'll be back again on Monday to see if you have done the 10 hours, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, I want to wish you success as you prepare for your exam. Take care. Bye.